Formal education will make you a living. Self-education will make you a fortune. Formal education is standard, structured and systematic education. It is what you learn to school and colleges. There's nothing wrong with formal education, but it is designed to get you a job or make you a living. It is not designed to make you financially free or mentally strong. It is designed to keep you part of the system. There are limits to how far you can go with formal education. It is for people who want limited risk and not much responsibility. Self-education knows no limits, and that's why it has the potential to make you a fortune. Self-education can not only make you a fortune, it can also make you fulfilled because it gives you the choice to educate yourself on things that will enhance the quality of your life. Think of all the greatest entrepreneurs of today and in history. These are all self-educated people. They are all likely formally educated as well. But for all successful people, self-education never ends. Not after school, not after success or failure. Life is the classroom, and the only goal is to learn and to grow every day. The major value in life is not what you get. The major value in life is what you become. The major question to ask is not what I'm getting here. The major question to ask is what am I becoming here? It's never the material success that gives us the most value. It is the self-pride that comes when you extend yourself. It's not the money or the house. They will bring you the joy. It is the pride in knowing you earn the money and the house. That is where the value is. And you won't get money or the house without it. You won't get anything more until you become more. If you don't design your own life plan, chances are you'll fall into someone else's plan. And guess what? They have planned for you. Not much if you're waiting for others to hand you success. You'll be waiting with your hand out until you are dying day. If you want anything in life, the responsibility falls on only one person, and that person is you. No one owes you anything. If you want it, you must plan for it. If you want it, you must sacrifice for it. If you want it, you must work for it. Don't wait for anyone to give you a handout or a magic map to achieve the life you want. You have to educate and execute your own life plan to live the life you want to live. You cannot change your destination overnight, but you can change your direction overnight. Nothing worthwhile is built overnight. The overnight success is a myth. But one thing that can change instantly is your attitude. You can decide in an instant that your life will change, and if you keep that promise to yourself, that could be a moment everything does change.